How to delete transaction history in GCash. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to delete your transaction history in GCash. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, you really cannot delete your transaction history right here in the transaction section. So as you can see over here, there is no option right here that will allow us to delete our transaction history. But a thing that you can do is first just go to your profile, and then once you're in your profile, just click on help right here, and then after that what you want to do is just click on chat with GG right here, wait for that to load, and then after that what you want to do is to just type in that you want help in deleting your transaction history. So as an example, I'll just type in this: hello, I need help in deleting my transaction history in GCash. And then after that, just click on send, and then after that it will ask you, please clarify, here's what I found. So just click on that, and it says right here that currently you're not allowed to delete items in your GCash transaction history. So only your recent 15 transactions will appear in the transaction page. So to view more, tap request transaction history. So it says right here, you're really not allowed to delete your GCash transaction history, and it will only show you your 15 recent transactions. So yeah, there is really no option for you to delete your transaction history in GCash unless you do 15 more transactions so that it will not appear in your transaction history. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to delete your transaction history in GCash. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.